Good morning. It is May 6th, and it is remarkably cold in Oklahoma City. The actual temperature, I think right now, is about 48 degrees, but with the wind, which is blowing reasonably strongly, according to the weather app, it feels more like 40 or even upper 30s. It's pretty chilly, so I'm wearing a jacket. I'm outside because I am going to attempt to do a mechanical repair on my Porsche Boxster. Shout out to one of my viewers who commented that the replacement of the struts for the front trunk, the frunk, is very easy. He said the parts are like $20 and it takes 2 minutes to do it. So with that in mind, I looked at a couple of YouTube videos on how to replace it. Didn't look too hard. I ordered the parts, which actually turned out to be about $30, but that's pretty cheap for Porsche parts. And I'm going to try and actually replace those struts now. And so I'm taking a video of this to show you how to do it. As I've said in my previous videos, I'm a mechanical idiot. I am not good with anything mechanical, but I'm going to do my best and see if I can replace these front trunk struts. So here we go. These are the two parts that I ordered. They came from China. They were about $30 for the two parts, which are supposed to be fairly easy. And I have a flathead screwdriver, which is needed to release the clips on the struts that are currently on the car. So let's see if this will work. The first thing I'm going to do is release the front hood, and there's a switch here to do that. So that releases the front trunk, and then I have to open it up with the little switch on the inside here. And of course the problem is that it doesn't stay open by itself. So I have to get something to prop that up with. I'm opening it. I'm going to attempt to prop it up with just a cardboard box, which I think should work. Yeah, I think that will work to hold that open with just a cardboard box. And now what I'm supposed to do is release the clips on the two struts. And I'm going to try and release the clips on the two struts and see if that works. The idea is that I'm supposed to release this little clip here. I can get the flathead screwdriver in there and get that clip released. And as you can see, I'm not good with this sort of thing, but I'm persevering to try and get it done. Okay, I've got the clip removed, or at least loosened, so I should be able to pop that out. I'm going to raise it up here and see if I can pop that off. Yep, that worked. And now I'm told the bottom one should just pop right off. Move the camera around here where you can see the bottom clip. I might have to remove, here's the strut, and there's a clip on the bottom, but according to the video of the Porsche Club of America, once the top clip is removed, it should just pop right off. Let's see if it will. Well, maybe not. So I try and release the clip on the bottom. And then look, it did. It popped off. When I released the clip on the bottom, it came right off. Amazing. Okay, now the idea is I put the piece back on. So we start with the smaller end on the bottom, and let's see if I can make that work. Going to raise the camera up here This should clip right on, and it did. And now the top, raise the hood up, should clip onto the top. Huh, incredible. That actually worked. Incredible. I actually was able to remove that one. Let's try and repeat the process on the other side. I'm kind of surprised because I'm so bad at this sort of thing, but it is pretty easy. So I'm going to try it on the other side. Okay, so once again, loosening the top clip. Trying to get the screwdriver in there to get it loose. There. Okay, got it loosed. Now release the, actually I'm going to go ahead and pop that off of there because that makes it easier to get the bottom clip on this one. And the old one is out. And I take the new one and we'll clip it back in here. So first, clipping in the smaller unit on the bottom. Good. And now got to clip in the top, raise the hood up a little bit to make it fit there. Put down my screwdriver so I've got my hand free. And it's on there. And in fact, the cardboard box just fell off. I'm going to remove it, and you can see, ho, 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 the hood stays up. It seems I've accomplished this. Now we can see that I can raise and lower it, and it holds by itself. Huh. I'm really surprised because I'm not a mechanical person at all, but this was super simple. So if you have a Porsche Boxster, you can replace these front trunk struts by yourself that quickly. Really only took a couple of minutes, and the parts are quite cheap. So I hope this is helpful. I'll see you in the next video.